How to redeem Visa gift card on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your Visa gift card on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to redeem your Visa gift card on Amazon, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, you're basically going to be able to see this type of interface where you have to just tap the account option that you can find at the bottom over here. Once you tap the account option from the bottom, right over here you'll find your account button. You want to make sure to simply tap on the your account button as well. As you tap on the your account button, you want to simply scroll over here, and once you simply scroll down to the bottom here, you'll find this option known as manage gift card balance. So you want to make sure to tap on it, and here you'll find redeem another gift card. Make sure to tap on it again. As you do that, right over here, one thing way that you can do is you can either scan your claim code, or you can simply choose to enter this claim code that you can find over here, and then you'll be able to enter the name of the code as well as the numbers. Tap on apply to your balance. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to get successfully redeemed to your Amazon account. This way you can redeem your Visa gift card on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.